This is a Therm-A-Rest, the world's finest camping mattress. Well, I bought this back in the 1990s. I mean, I've used the crap out of it. And last time I went camping, I had a log explode because, I sleep like 1 foot away from the fire, and I burned a hole in it. So what do we got here? Where the hell did that little box go? Oh, here it is. I was gonna go to the outfitter, but that's on the other side of town, and I wanted to order something online. So I got this stuff at Ace Hardware. Tear-Aid. And this is it. We'll see how it holds up. It's holding air again, which is nice. So I don't like being lumpy. Fixes vinyl, works on all dry vinyl. You can even apply it underwater on smooth, non-textured vinyl surfaces. Won't discolor over time, no messy liquids to apply. Won't turn gummy in high heat. Functions at temperature ranges of -20 to 190 after application. So, but yeah, I put this on there, cleaned it off with alcohol pads, even supplied a couple, and threw a bunch of books on top of it overnight to mush it down nice and flat. So we'll see how it functions. There will be an update on Mr. Tear-Aid here. I don't really think this is the greatest application for this product, but hey, if it works at all, I'll be surprised. Well, so far so good.